I'll repeat once again. Here. In module 1, I have almost completed all the topics. Yes, students, if you have any doubt in module 1, you please contact me, students. If you have any doubt in module 1, almost all the topics I have covered, and here we have learned ADO.net. The introduction of .NET framework, and some of the basic concepts of .NET framework. And in the second module, see this second module, this already you have learned in Java and C++. Here purely object oriented concepts we have learned, and here some of the additional topics also we have learned, that is like sealed class and partial methods we have learned, students. And in third module, here delegate is a new concept we have learned here. Delegate, it holds the address of a method. And here we learned the exception handling and ADO.NET framework and some of the keywords and how to create a connection string. That is very important, students. To create a connection string and to take a connection string, this is very important in part B programs. This important concept we have learned in this part B program in ADO.NET. This in the third module we have learned, and in fourth module we have learned from the scratch. We have learned how to develop a window form application. Here the basic controls, here from the scratch, from the beginning, how to start with the window application and how to create a simple GUI or how to create a GUI, that is graphical user interface. And we have a toolbox. It has some of the controls. It has some of the controls. The controls like layout, labels, text box, group, checkbox, buttons, event handling, concept list box, combo box, preview, all these controls we have. So using those controls, we develop a multiple document interface. Yes, we have developed a multiple document interface. Yes, students, multiple document interface is nothing but here when we begin with the program, what we do? When we begin with the program, first we take one form and we start designing that form, and for that form we create a supporting database. And next step is, if I want to include some other forms also, you can include. For that you have to go to Solution Explorer, right click on the Solution Explorer, click on add new item. So if you click on add new item, so new items will be added like this. You can add classes, CSS files, and any other controls also you can add to your form. Next, what we do, if you need more than one form, you can add in your program more than one form. That is nothing but a multiple document interface. And in Visual Studio, when you create a window form application, here for the selection of any item in the drop down list, we have a checkbox. We have a combo box in window form application. But when you develop a website, we don't have that option. That is, combo box option is not there. So to achieve the need of the combo box, or to satisfy the need of the combo box, we have in ASP.NET, that is drop down list. The drop down list option we are going to include a drop down list in the program. So in addition to these, we have a Ajax extension, students. See, this Ajax extension we have to add in our program. The Ajax extension controls are pointers, script manager, proxy, timer, update panel, update progress. These are all the controls which we have in the toolbox. These controls are Ajax extensions. Yes, students, the controls which are available in toolbox, all the controls we are not going to use in the program. Whichever control is necessary, whichever control we want to implement in our program, those controls we use in the program. So these are all the standard toolbox we have. In the toolbox we have this Ajax extension option. So using all this, we are going to develop a user friendly website. Yes, students, as I told before, for your lab assignment, you have to develop any website. I'm not telling that specifically how to develop a website for hotel management or library system or employee management. I'm not restricting that. You can create any website. Yes, students, I'm repeating, you can create any website, but that website should have minimum 3 forms. That website should have minimum 3 forms, and whatever the functionality you are adding in those website, or whatever the features you are including in that website, all functionality should satisfy, all functionality should work. It should not have any warning or any error that your program should not have. So that's why I'm telling you to develop any website. When you come for your lab external exam, that time you have to show me the execution of that program. Yes, students, execution of that lab assignment you have to show. And student, this is your theory assignment. The 8 questions I have given. So these questions are not tough, students. So all the answers are available in my PPT. Still, if you have any doubt, if you are not able to answer for any of the questions, you can contact me. I'll give you the answer. I'll tell you the answer, how to write the answer. Any doubt, if you are not getting the programs also, the multicast delegate program, or any program, if you are not able to write, you can contact me, students. I'll solve your problem. And the deadline to submit your theory assignment is 21st December. By 21st December, you have to submit the first assignment on or before 21st December. And your lab assignment you have to submit by 28th December, students. By 28th December, you have to submit the lab assignment. So your lab assignment is development of web page, and your web page should have minimum of 3 forms. Your web page, I'll here in the development of a web page with minimum 3 forms. Minimum 3 forms you have to develop, students. So by 28 4:30 you have to submit your assignment, students, by 28th. Yes, students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, students, do you have any doubt in theory and lab? Another doubt, Sidhya? If you don't have any doubt, before the submission of your assignment only you ask students. Then on the day of submission, if I ask any students why you have not submitted, then that time you please don't say that you have not you had doubt in any of the questions or in lab assignment. I don't want to listen all that, students. Yes, students, when you develop a web page, you take file, new website, and don't go for second option, students. ASP.NET empty website. Don't go for this option. Go with the first option, that is ASP.NET website. Select this option. Yes, students. Any doubt? And in today's lab, everybody should share your screen. You have to share your laptop screen, or you share your desktop screen, and you have to show me the execution of your part B programs. And you start writing record, students. I think all of you, most of the students have written part A program in the record book, and you start writing part B also. Still, if any of the students have not started writing part B program, from today only you start writing the program. In the rule page, you write question and the queries, And in unruled page, you write the tables, and you write the output screen. Tables also we have the students in the unruled page. You write the tables and output screen. And in next Monday on 21st, you have to show your record book. You have to show your record book, how many programs you have executed. And in today's lab, you have to show show the execution of your program. You have to share your screen and you have to run the program and show. Yes, students, if you have any doubt, any errors, if you are getting, you try to solve now only, students. Yes, when you come for exam, that time if you get any error, then I cannot help you. It is online mode, so it is difficult for you people to ask doubts. But I am telling, no, whenever you have a lab, you can share your screen and you can ask any doubt if you are getting. And Tuesday or Wednesday, I am going to conduct one extra lab, because last month and last week I have missed two labs I have missed. So I want to compensate that. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I want to engage one extra lab students. So for extra lab, everybody should present. Okay, students. Any doubt, students? Any doubt? Okay, students. I'll stop here. See you in the next class. Yes, students, if you have any doubts, you can ask. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ.